Okay, today is the first day since I started this challenge, commitment, devotion that I've felt so much resistance to just turning up. Oh, excuse me, mid yawn. Um, yeah, just like this really, it's like it was a sense of I'll get to it later. It's procrastination energy. And now it's like, close to bedtime for me. Sorry. Sorry. Um, hmm. And I noticed myself um, considering what it is I wanted to share, and I realized how often that's the case in terms of, if I turn up, it's because there's something specific I want to say, and I've already thought it through. And perhaps these will evolve to that. Maybe it's more valuable for you at some stage, but for right now, like, I'm really just giving myself permission to use this as a practice to see what arises. I don't know if you can hear the kitten that's purring beside me here. Cutie pie. Oh, I cannot seem to stop yawning. I'm inclined to apologize, but I'm realizing is how often humans apologize for. I think women do it more, um, for just normal facets of existing. I remember having a client that used to say sorry so often, so regularly. I set her a challenge that's like, um, don't say that word. Like, yeah. Yeah. Mm. And I also notice part of this practice is I notice myself wanting to give fun facts. Like when we yawn, the brain is trying to take in more oxygen. Mm. Yeah. That feels good. It feels enough like I turned up and you got a bunch of yawns. That's what's here. You know? And I think that's harder for us sometimes. Part of being seen is we want, like, I noticed, like, the part of me, I went to the toilet just before grabbing the camera, and it was okay, pick yourself up, come on, you're gonna do this, because it feels important to me to continue with this, and there's gonna be learnings and insights in it for me. And it was a sense of wanting to um energize and uplift myself, and all of that is performance. All of that, these are like subtle ways where we alter ourselves in the moment, and rather than just allowing what's there to be there. you know we are just waves of energy. Nothing more than that. Waves of energy moving through this moment. And tired is here right now. So can I just accept that and be with that? Tired is here right now, and allow that without attempting to manipulate that in any way. Mm. Yeah, I feel the parts of myself that want to have wisdom to impart, as if there was some such thing that would be called, well, this is wisdom, you know. Now I am sharing wisdom. It amuses me. It amuses me. Yeah. Okay. Well, um, that's me done for today. I came, I shared, and I'm going to, well, I'll upload it quickly and then I'll go to bed. Sending you lots of love.